Guys, aku lagi dicubit sama Sai. Au, sakit, berhenti Sai. Wah, sakit sekali. Au. Kalian harus subscribe, cepat. Kalau nggak di subscribe dia nggak bakal berhenti. Au, sakit. Cepat. Makasih.
Oke guys, nih anak-anak udah mau berangkat, akan berpisah sama mereka. Mereka akan pergi pertama kali nih, mereka berdua doang nih, anak umur 6 tahun nih.
Benar ya? Jadi pergi deh. Ke sini, benar begini. Hah?
Like you always tell mommy, I get Allah with me. Take care, okay? Don't forget Allah. You too. Even mommy feel nervous. Ya Allah.
Mommy's still there until now. Yeah. But mommy crying, you know.
Itu ya perasaannya seorang ibu bisa sama anak. I miss you already. I miss you.
I miss you more. To the moon and back. Abi, nanti kita mission accomplished.
Good, very good.
Jangan lupa sama Allah.
Abi, doain ya buat Soleha.
Ya, yang paling penting jangan lupa sama Allah. Ya kalau
Oke, kita mau masuk.
Oke.
Ini nak rasain. Rasain sekarang. Coba pun.
Sit down.
Masuk pegang ke?
Pak, katanya dia punya tu berisi kan.
Nah, okey jom. Okey, duduk dulu. Okey, bye-bye. Jumpa lagi nanti. Bye-bye.
Coba lagi.
Okey. Bye-bye.
Coba lagi. The airplane. Sini ada rumah dan jadi saya bungkus buat Abi. Ya. Guys, now in business class, we got our food. Dad, let's eat. Dan sama abang, kak, bilang hai.
Hai.
Ayo ketemu. When I'm in the airport and landing, I'm so nervous when it's landing. Seriously? Yeah. Really? Yeah. Really? I'm not. I want to raise my hand, but there's no you. You are so far, and then I'm like, I don't know where to go. I don't want to raise my hand because I'm shy. I was want to raise my hand, but I'm so shy. I want to raise my hand, but I don't want it. There's no you, and when you're not raising, I got them to raise his hand. Maybe just have one of what this kid. It's gonna have kaichap. I'm so excited.
Oh my god. Oke, let's go. Udah buka puasa? Soalnya dianterin sama mas sama mbaknya.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so brave. Katan, how about you?
When we in the airplane, we just two of us.
Really? And you so brave? Yes?
I am your brother, you are my sister. I am your sister, you are my brother.
Thank you.
Makasih. Oke.
Dulu puasanya.
Oke. Buka puasa dulu.
Cibubur jauh gak dari sini guys?
Jauh. So we pray no macet-macet, oke?
Ini macet ini katanya Mbak.
Ya Bapak jangan dong Pak.
Lihat mapnya macet semua.
Bapak jangan macet ya Allah. Perikatan. Gimana rasanya terbang sendiri?
Soleha, he have a friend,
Oh, yeah.
but it's big
Have
baby.
friend. Okay, good.
Abi udah beli Soleha bisa sendiri. This is for if don't have any mommy, he use this.
Oh.
Traveling alone, traveling by yourself. Sister traveling alone.
Okay.
15 minutes later. 2 hours later.
Nih, itu teman itu. Kakak, boleh kan? Emang ada tiga. Kamu masuk dulu, kamu masuk dulu. Kapan? Baris, siap-siap. Cepet, 1, 2, 3.
Subscribe aja di bawah guys. Dalam hitungan 3, 2, 1, action, action. Huggies gonna hug me. Baby, huggies for me. Okay, I know you're gonna. Come on, baby. Why you love me?
Baby, oh my god.
Baby, hey, you with the smile.
Why?
No.
Why did you come back?
This week I saw you.
This is why.
Look, I have new shoes. Nobody's stepping.
Nobody's oh, it's shiny, babe. Shiny.
Our handshake. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah.
Come on. Here we go. Pop. Oh! Oh, you can oh my god.
Sick.
Stick. Oh my god. They stick.
Ha, and zoom.
Oh my god. You gotta go zoom.
Ha.
Zoom. Oh my god. Oh my god. Doing the zoom.
Bang. Pak. Boom. Bang.
Salah with me.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Boy. There's not even handshake, that butt shake. That's butt shake.
Gak mau gitu dong, tunggu Suliha.
Kelihatannya ada yang baru join dari. You flying from Malaysia alone?
Alone with Kak Solia.
Alone with Kak Solia.
Yeah. So you guys are so good. I have a special surprise for you. I said something.
Klik tombol subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis.
I full puasa Malaysia.
Puasanya penuh di Malaysia, gengs. Puasanya penuh, guys. Puasanya penuh.
Asia.
Katan puasanya penuh.
What is that, baby? What is that? Read it. Young passenger traveling.
Oh, young passengers traveling. You ride business class? My baby just come. Terus dia pakai kayak ginian dong. Young passenger traveling alone. Jadi dia naik pesawat sendiri. Dia naik pesawat. Dia kamu nggak? Dia doang, guys. Dia lucu, guys.
Katan sama Soleha naik pesawat sendiri tanpa orang tua. Jadi dia harus pakai kayak gini. Jadi kasih nama kayak gini, Young Passengers Traveling Alone. Keren banget naik pesawat sendiri ya.
Soleha, baby. Soleha, makeup. Okay, go make up.
Birthday brothers.
Hidung.
Happy birthday, Bang. 10.000.
Sabar.
Happy birthday, Bang. And mommy.
Diam dulu, diam. Pata lagi mau ngejelasin berapa harga Go make up.
Rem pertama nggak ada yang keluar, rem kedua baru keluar. Welcome to our family. I get scratch katanya, dia dicakar guys.
Oke.